Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about Unit 7 multiplication. Multiplication is the shorter form of repeated addition. The numbers which are multiplied are called factors. The answer after multiplication is called the product. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 4 into 5. Question number 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 2. Question number 3. 9. 9 is equal to 1 into 9. 4. 8 into 7. 8 sevens are 56. 4 nines are 36. 30 into 0, 0. 218 into 1, 218. Question number 8. 100 into 0, 0. Question number 2. Write the correct number in each box. Question number 1. 16 into 10 is equal to 10 into 16. Question number 2. Dash into 100 is equal to 100 into 29. Here 100, here also 100, here 29, then here will be 29. Question number 3. 88 into dash is equal to 5 into 88. 88, here also 88, here 5, here also 5. Question number 4. 98 into 86 is equal to dash into 98. 98, 98, here 86, here also 86. Question number 5. 11 into 12 into 14 is equal to 11 into 12 into dash. 11, 11, 12, 12, then 14. Here also 14. Question number 6. 12 into 34 into 23 is equal to 12 into dash into 23. Here 12, here also 12, here 23, here also 23, then 34, here also 34. Question number 3. Find the product of the following group of numbers using the commutative property of multiplication. A change in the order of numbers does not affect the product. This property is called a commutative property of multiplication. Question number 1. 4, 5. 4 into 5 is equal to 5 into 4. 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. Question number 2. 7, 6. 7 into 6 is equal to 6 into 7. 7 6 are 42. 6 7s are 42. Then question number 3. 35 into 7. 35 into 7 is equal to 7 into 35. 35 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 3. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 245. Associative property. The multiplication of three numbers does not affect the product even if the grouping of numbers is changed. This property is called associative property of multiplication. Number 4. Find the product of the following group of numbers using associative property of multiplication. Number 1. 2, 3, 4 is equal to 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3 in bracket. Here 3 into 4 in bracket is equal to 2 into 3, 6 into 4 is equal to 2 into 3 fours are 12 is equal to 6 fours are 24. 2 12s are 24 is equal to 24. Question number 2, 3, 7, 8 is equal to 3 into 7 into 8 is equal to 3 into 7 into 8. 3 into 7 in bracket. Here 7 into 8 in bracket is equal to 3 into 7, 21 into 8 is equal to 3 into 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. 21 into 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16 is equal to 168 is equal to 56 into 3. 3 6 are 18. 1. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. 168. Here is equal to 168. Question number 3. 50, 20 and 10 is equal to 50 into 20 into 10 is equal to 50 into 20 into 10. 50 into 20 in bracket. Here 20 into 10 in bracket is equal to 50 into 20. 5 2s are 10. Then put these two zeros right side. Okay. Then 1000 into 10 is equal to 50 into 2 ones are 2. Then these two zeros. Then 1 into 1, 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros is equal to 5 into 2, 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 10,000. Question number 5. Find the product. Question number 1. 10 into 10. 1 into 1. 1. Then put these two zeros right side. The answer is 100. Question number 2. 35 into 100. 35 into 1. 35. Then put these two zeros right side. Answer is 3500. Question number 3. 75 into 1000. 75 into 1. 75. Then add these three zeros. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 75,000. Question number 4. 4 into 30. First multiply these two numbers 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. Then add this 0. Answer is 120. Question number 5. 8 into 600. First 8 and 6 multiply. 8 6 are 48. Then add these two zeros. Answer is 4800. Question number 6. 16 into 2000. First multiply these two numbers. 6 into 2, 12. Then 1. 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Then add these 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 32,000. Question number 6. Find the product. Question number 1. 213 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Answer is 639. Question number 2. 402 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 4, 8. Answer is 804. Question number 3. 121 into 5. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. Carrying 1. 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Answer is 605. Question number 4. 789 into 6. 6 into 9, 54. 4, then 5. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 5, 53. Then 5. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 5, 47. Answer is 4734. Question number 5. 177 into 8. 8 into 7, 56. 6, 5. 8 into 7, 56. 56 plus 5, 61. Then 6. 8 into 1, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. Answer is 1416. Question number 6. 36 into 17. First one's place. 7 into 6, 42. 2, 4. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4, 25. 1 into 6, 6. Here tens place. So we will start from tens place. 6. 1 into 3, 3. 2. 5 plus 6, 11. 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Answer is 612. Question number 7. 78 into 35. 5 into 8, 40, 0, 4. 5 into 7, 35. 35 plus 4, 39. 3 into 8, 24. Here 4. Here 2. 3 into 7, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 0. 9 plus 4, 13. 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Here 2. Answer is 2730. Question number 8. 84 into 26. 6 4s are 24. 4. 2. 6 8s are 48 plus 2, 50. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 4. 8. 5 plus 6, 11. 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Answer is 2184. Question number 7. Solve. Question number 1. A storybook has 75 pages. How many pages are there in 6 such books? Number of pages in one book is equal to 75. Number of pages in 6 books is equal to 75 into 6. 75 into 6. 6 5s are 33. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3, 45. Answer is 450. Question number 2. A box contains 125 toffees. Anisha bought 7 such boxes on her birthday. How many toffees did she buy in all? Number of toffees in one box is equal to 125. Number of toffees in 7 boxes is equal to 125 into 7. 125 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 5 3. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 7 1. 7 1. 7 into 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Answer is 875. Question number 3. A ready-made shirt cost rupees 167. An orphanage purchases 48 shirts for its inmates. How much money is spent to buy the shirts? Cost of one shirt is equal to rupees 167. Cost of 48 shirts is equal to 167 into 48. 167 into 48. 8 7s are 56. 6 5. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5, 53. 3 and 5. 8 into 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Then 4 7s are 28. 8 2. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 6 2. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6. 3 plus 8, 11. 1. 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 0. 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. Answer is rupees 8,016. This is your homework. You do this homework in your homework copy and submit.